guys, my name is Amar Dharkar and I'm going to review today Barbie doll, Barbie basic doll. So let's get started.
So here is the outer packaging. I got it from Flipkart, and this is cost retail 399 rupees, but I got it in discount at 299 rupees. The product which shown in on the website, it's not this Barbie, so you cannot expect the product which you're looking at the website you will get the same one. I ordered entry doll, so randomly they have sent this one, so I got it this in lavender purple color dress. So here is the outer packaging. Here is written Barbie, and this is meant for 3+ years, and here is written 399, but I got it in 299. So let's unbox. So here is the doll Barbie. As you can see, she is wearing purple dress with hearts, and the dress is not that good quality. She has a golden hair and blue eyes and a purple sort of a lip color. Not much makeup going on. Blush is also hardly visible. So she is in the medium tone, whitish skin tone, and she is wearing the sneakers. Here is the closer look. So these are the sneakers. On the bottom it's written B Barbie, and also on the neck here it is written metal. That means it's an authentic product. And on the one it's also written T7439 series. So let's talk about the dress. It's not at its best quality, but for 399 rupees you cannot expect anything much, and there is no button or anything to remove the dress, so you need to pull this dress to get rid of this dress. So this is the drawback, and overall for 399 rupees it is good enough. For 399 rupees it's okay. So if you're looking for a budget doll which is under rupees 500, so I think this is worth trying, so you can give it a shot. And I got it at 299 rupees, so it's a steal price. So it's overall, if I talk about this doll, would I recommend this? Yes, you can give it a shot because it's only rupees 299. But if you want the specific dress colored Barbie, so you have to go to the shop and then you need to buy it, because in online they send random dolls. So definitely on Flipkart you will not get the exact doll what you're looking for. So if you want the specific color doll, so you need to go to your shop and buy. So overall I would say that a golden hair, it's a basic doll. The articulation is also not that great, but it's okay. This much, her hands goes like this, and front leg articulation is like this and like this, and head also. So only 5 articulation, but for 399 rupees this much articulation is good enough. So I think that is it. Here's once more the closer look. I hope the camera catches. She's looking gorgeous, and also the quality is quite sturdy. So it's not like very lightweight, it is quite sturdy, so definitely it feels good. So yes, you can go for this, and overall this is it's my review, so I hope that this is somewhat helpful, and if it is helpful for at least one person also, so I would be more than enough. It would be more than enough for me, so I'll be more than happy if it also benefits at least one person. So thank you so much, and show some love by subscribing, and let me know in the comments Barbie you want to see next, so that I can go out there and try to purchase and try to give you the short review. I hope this review was helpful, and thanks for watching.